This is the SQL Server Index maintenance module, and we are discussing about the fragmentation. What are the drawbacks, disadvantages, or consequence of the fragmentations? When the fragmentation is happened in the indexes and on the leaf level of the indexes, the pages have empty spaces. This is the internal fragmentation. In the internal fragmentation, the pages have empty spaces, and this will the wastage of the space on the data files. So this is the drawback of the internal fragmentation. And also the second thing, the read ahead will not efficient due to the fragmentation. The read ahead need more cycles to read the pages. Like this is the these pages are not fragmented, but this pages is fragmented because the logical and physical order is not matching. So when this read ahead process will occur, it can read these two pages continuously, and after that this fragmented page is coming, so it will read this one page, and then after that it will read this page, and then again it will read read the one page. So there is, if there is more fragmentation, read ahead process will be very slow, and it needs a more cycles to read these pages. And one another advantage of this fragmentation is that heavily fragmentation in the index degrade the query performance. How the query performance will be degraded due to the fragmentation? Because the more input output is required to read the pages, like we have seen in this read ahead fragmented pages. The physical and logical ordering is not matches, so it takes more times to read the pages, so more input output cycles are required. Additional input output required to read data required by the queuing during the index scan. So these are the consequences of the fragmentation.